retinal detachment,
What?
increased risk of wet AMD. Izervay may cause blood in the white of the eye, blurred vision, or a temporary increase in eye pressure. Do not drive or use machinery until vision has recovered after an eye injection or exam.
With Izervay, I'm taking action to slow my GA. Seeing it out there means everything to me.
Ask your retina specialist how you could help preserve your vision longer with Izervay.
At Yoplait, we always select the best strawberries. Perfectly ripe. That's why our yogurt is so good. Yoplait, America's favorite strawberry yogurt.
Excellence Cream by L'Oreal Paris has everything I wished for. It's even better than my ex.
Infused with hyaluronic acid, up to 3 times more moisture and 100% gray coverage.
Excellence Cream by L'Oreal Paris. You cover your grays in between coloring. Magic Root by L'Oreal Paris. I'm worth it.
Diabetes can be complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Easily track your glucose and lower your A1C with the Freestyle Libre 3 Plus sensor. This is progress. Try for free at freestylelibre.us.
I know this seems crazy, but Fresh Step traps odors by supercharging 4 million particles in each box with activated charcoal. So all I smell is winning. Fresh Step. Is it crazy or is it love? Welcome to the Feel Good Labs. Today's hypothesis, Jergens Cherry Almond plus long-lasting hydration equals an iconic formula. Hypothesis confirmed. Jergens Cherry Almond is the iconic scent of softness. The feel-good feeling of Jergens.
There's a lot to consider when finding the best CLL treatment for you. Brukinsa brings clarity to your path ahead. Brukinsa is an oral targeted treatment for CLL. It's the only BTKI approved superior to both another BTKI and to chemotherapy. Side effects were manageable with most people staying on treatment. And Brukinsa had low rates of cardiovascular events, including AFib. Brukinsa can cause serious side effects which may lead to death.